Now, our final resin family is the BioMed resins. This family has 7 medical grade materials. 4 are general purpose and 3 are engineering for applications where performance and biocompatibility and sterilizability are critical. To maintain biocompatibility, they are made in a Class 8 clean room housed within an ISO 13485 certified facility and have been certified along the following ISO standards that you see here for minimal biological risk and for use in several different industries and applications. On Formlabs Biocompatible certifications and standards page, if you scroll down, you'll see the BioMed resins, their applications, and their sterilization compatibility. If you continue scrolling, you'll see 2 non-BioMed resins that we've discussed already, Silicon 40A and Tough 1500, both of which having some biocompatibility so that they're safe to make wearables. One material to note is BioMed Clear because it's the only material that's safe for use with breathing pathways. During COVID-19, ventilators quickly became in short supply, so Northwell Health, New York's largest healthcare provider, designed and printed hose adapters to convert BiPAP machines that are used for patients suffering from sleep apnea into ventilators. These hose adapters were printed in BioMed Clear and could be mass produced at a rate of 150 per hour using only one printer. So as you can see, choosing the right BioMed resin depends on the way it will be used on the patient, but it also depends on the material properties. Despite these nuances, there's still quite a bit of overlap between these 7 resins, as you can see from the applications that each is aimed for. To print with these resins successfully, first you'll need a B-series printer like the Form 3B or Form 4BL. These are capable of printing with both the BioMed resins and the non-BioMed resins, but make sure you separate their respective consumables. For example, build platforms, wash tanks, and tools used for printing BioMed resins should never contact non-BioMed resins in order to maintain biocompatibility. This information, along with sterilizing methods and parameters, is found in each of the BioMed resin's manufacturing guide. In these guides, there's also a mention at the top here that users should independently verify the suitability of the material for their particular application and intended purpose. The reason that statement's there is because the resins themselves are biocompatible, but because of the large range of user-dependent printing and part design scenarios that Formlabs obviously can't control, users and parts are responsible for following these manufacturing guidelines or else risking a part that fails biocompatible regulations.